ombonoma ungu nanado you will not die. No. How? When yan sabe the woman says sebi you nanado this one wherever you are medin krawe manu. What's the dine at the amount mame? Wo kwaya no akopam o mame the next year bonten say sebi a soldier for me that den na o mame na bonten. Would you do that nanado? Would you do that? And it's not your fault because who they were provided the so who provided. But the wouldn't question honor you can't say so sister nanado so sister change your hands, change your style, nanado change your style, nanado change your style, change your hands, no, change your hands. How do you tell me say the constitution gives you a power to reshuffle? Are you telling me say nanado dankwa all your appointees are good workers, they are all working good? Nanado, are you telling us Ghanaians and everybody who supports you say one more papa na you nearly lost 2020 election, daddy? That was what was supposed to open your eyes. After the 2020 election, daddy, your eyes were supposed to be open. Said, I'm not fighting against NDC. I'm fighting against my own people. It is your own NPP people that are digging your grave and you are sitting down quiet, daddy. What sense does it make? Usi school diamond kola. Na wako pamun kola ne frimu so munko siya de o patase. Na macho men. Se forestry commissioner kron for boys ya. Omo kwa doma machine no. Omo kwa jiji huska. Free school, I've told you people, NPP for now, so just be careful. Sister, brother, I'm not here just to speak for NPP. Debbie, I love NPP. You know me, you see me in action for NPP. You hear what I'm saying? But say NPP, I'm born number. I have to be the first soldier to shoot the bullet. Because I'm a betna in NDC. Now some in Croft 1 year Jimmy Four. I have to let them know say move Jimmy. Last me coca flex now. When him say we NPP new team penny for ne there. Ya to bomo my say be adachi bi no. Na o kope position ben. Position ben. Is that into position ben? Into position inti. Say NPP for me position inti yam pamon kola em free school them into enkosi patase na me nko support such a stupid idea. Say me position wa Ghana enya Canada po Ghana e do tufuo we no we ya the papa kro mu wo the policy back kro monti ase no me I want Ghana to move forward because yenom aye we bruchire no na show me I wanna de yen wie na ya pe baby aye bekọ wu ada e ho ne Ghana na mekọ na se ho ase ya na me ye ne den Ghana na me gina ye dede no mekọ na se ho ase me I don't care. Hey, I'm not here to just come and bash NDC and Mahama. If NPP for no some journey say no ntina some of you about then you no follow me because me mentesa because me NPP for ya krana na ya na me Jimmy ne ba mo na ma bomb ya mu mo because no bi wo ho e na mo si onbo number nti yam pamo sa NDC for no yam fa mo mra e ne ye pamo wo mo ba yesu nyame adawro ma ya adwuma anya shekura no ma ya adwuma. Why can't you, number one, sell your works? Nanado, what is in your hands so much that you cannot shuffle? His Excellency, me Nanado Anka 2020 elections nearby, you know, and then the mamma their family who actually say, NPP for we are many more year to me, and your woman in Nana Pemasem. Because it's evidence. They are come on boosted. Shadio. Yet brother, whether the video is an old video or it's a good video, the GES boss, he must go. There is no excuse for that. Ojune say broche, you best die the amankola. Now Obia Kopamwe free, and that person will still have his post 10 years to come on the man facing the punishment for it. There be Mr. Cynthia, I believe, say, there are people who truly wants to work. Nanado must shuffle his hands. Don't let us support that thing. Mr. Cynthia. Don't, juma, including Mraponwa da Ghana. Omo natural ba, yes, my yen could be some. Wamakate Chefrey Fakwa V8. And I would yes, said, yes, only 50 Ghana and a docono. If we are near Mamo Alumbo. My brother, hope you're doing good. Mafo. We are near Mamo Alumbo. Now the Akoye de. No we could treat Sabe, bluebird slippers here, me can ye. We could treat no one hata. No, Utia ye no biko who knock of fast, Samwaba. Sada no jam whereby and untuning could be. Ebia making Yakofa senior do don't kono bow concert house. Why you ready so beko? Demonstration ni t-shirt ninti. So what I say? And yes, I want to make you go to join a demonstration just to get a t-shirt so you can wear to jams. Yes, so what the hour bongo into want to make SSNB, yo fine. So mean to me SSNB dia a dear na me to me san juma. Bronia man a baptismal name said T-Vet. Enti wuti uno, would you mention ya DP? Kona kosian san juma. President asuma ne vice. Kona koye juma. Vice akoye ne juma. And they are launch it. T-Vet free wa Ghana. Why you huti bonko so te hokus who are won ko sian san juma wunsia and a tramo no and a wote se be God tanano ho na we na wo we. O we house na komode wa o si aban na aye na wanya adwuma. O school fees so ye dem a o kwabra ni kodi. Wo papa no wo ma me pe wi o mo wura o bawure mu ma wo no kwabra ni kodi ye nti ene no wadwuma wo wa ne se kodi party achi. Party be na abedi na achi. NPP de kombedo. NPP de obedi na achi se obedi NPP achi se odibedi de kombedo. And I'm telling you now. Man you adwene kura ko party nti ye bedi di ofui ko pa adwuma ye. Mon ko pa adwuma ye because me ba ho ye the record ne ba o. Mama Boni, enum ne de mo wo ho. Me se me be shada ye enum pa. Mo de mo nto mo bo ase say no. My music is coming back. Party aboni enko de say ye trim. Ko school was me enko adentia party for say ne yemfe janko to Kaneshi market. And pastor the jabe kwa akoto ho. Na ni yura free say be Kaneshi market wono NDC for didi ho, NPP for didi ho. You see how they think? Their whole mantra they say hoshia yebeka so aban ba ye security agigya na ye market e she aban ne ho be ye tan enti ye nkoye na aban ne ho nye tan. Augustus my steady me pacho yeah mean me too much my steady. No serious. But please people seriously let's just look at how these people they think and orchestrate them stuff. The fact say Ekufu